let's move on to May 22nd. Then we have the 4 as how we communicate with ourselves, and the 22 is also a special number. So this is a day where you want to plan ahead and remember the numbers of this week, the 11 and the 4. So listen to the divine plan and remember that there's so much power in your word. So, plot your, just meditate and see where do you want to go? Where do you want to be? Where are you going to be happy? And how are you going to get there? Make it in small little steps. Okay? And every day is another step. Every moment is another step. It's great. So we have the 4. Let's move on. We have the 5 as our number for our month, our homework. So this is the month of transformation, the month of flexibility, the month of communication, and the month our physical body is really asking us to take good care of it. So rest, eat, and sleep. Both are important, right? Or all are important. So, and your body will tell you what it needs. So listen to it. And then we have the 8 and the 10 from the year. How, when we don't know, we just breathe and we are present. And with our presence, we manifest. So, and then we have another 10 as our path number. So double 10s today. That brings tension, right? I always say a double 10s is tension. So shake it off. Your body doesn't like the tension too much. So if it's really, really time to breathe out, to relax, to slow down, and to really listen to what it is your plan is. And maybe there are things on your daily task list that is not really aligned with what it is that your soul wants. So, and the double 10s give you also a lot of courage. So, because the 10 is a 1 and a 0, you can either do it or not at all. There's nothing like in between. So today is you're gonna be setting your goals and you're gonna be courageous and you have the direction. This is great. And then from there, you're gonna be the master planner and make a big puzzle and see, okay, which piece of the puzzle is right now for me? Which step do I need to take right now? And the step you take is a step that releases tension, that releases the real stiffness within your body, that relaxes your body, that opens your heart, and that just makes you feel like